Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for Mercy Tiara kits, and I have the new Cuddle Up kit, which is a kit for October 2024, which seems futuristic to me. Anyway, I was thinking that this paper right here, this is from Maggie Holmes Forever Fields. It's called Seeking. It's got this great like Union Soldier blue color, and it's got a map on it. And I was recently traveling, and specifically to Ireland, and it made me totally want to craft. Now, combining that with these wood veneer and acrylic pieces, they read "The Cuddle is Real." It made me think of a photo I had was taken of me while we were there, and this is in the Ring of Kerry of Ireland, and this is a donkey. And if you look closely, there is the sweetest little dog that was chilling out on the donkey's back. So, we came up to this picturesque spot. I saw this. I ran over to the donkey, of course, to play with the dog. And yeah, and everybody's, carrying on about the mountains and the gorgeousness. And that's just kind of how it worked. So I was cuddling Puppy. Puppy flipped over almost immediately onto her little back for a belly rub. So I thought she was beautiful and adorable, and she needs to be recognized. Now, she was this golden color. So I think this color here from Echo Park, it's in the color gold, would be quite nice for a border. Normally I do a really patterned up border, but we are working to match this sweet girl here. I'm going to give it a nice little chunk taken out of the middle because, it's just going to be hidden anyway. So why not go ahead and gut it, and I can have it for something else. You never know what future me might want to scrapbook. So let's go ahead and get that. And, of course I can map the photo with it, which is an even better idea. Now this map paper, this is from Maggie Holmes, and it's from Maggie Holmes Forever Fields. It's called Seeking. And I think it's just gorgeous and absolutely inspired me rather quickly to get my craft on. Now I'm feeling like doing a little bit of scufferating with this. So let's see, I'm gonna go 11 1/4 by 11 1/4. I'm gonna scuff up my edges a little bit. I think that'll be fun. I might look for one more pattern to, give myself a nice bold contrast. So, ooh. I just saw a couple of plaids. So let me see which one works more for me. Now I've got this one right here from Cider and Donuts. They're both from Cider and Donuts, which are both Simple Stories lines. So let's see which one wants to sneak on in there in between the gold and the blue color. So here's my gold and blue. I mean, it says Queensland, which I think is Australia, but we're just going to go with it. Ooh. That is stunning. Okay, I like that. And then my other option is this one that has more of a peachy cast. Nope, I like the drama of this vanilla kind of a background just a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to get that popped on. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my circle punches and just punch up a bunch of circles, scuff them up, and do a central design. Now, when I do that, I will be going ahead and, like I said, I'll scuff them up, put them on some dimension, all that kind of thing. Because right now, I have all of these strong edges, right? But I want some of the soft things too. If you look in the background, it is full of mountains and hills and valleys and all kinds of moving spaces. So I want to be able to recreate that. So let me get a bunch punched out. I'm going to also map this in both the yellow as well as this great plaid pattern. So I've got some halfway decent traction going. I have nothing is tacked down except for my background. I do have my photo popped up a little bit, and I will be popping up some of my circles. I turned in these are 1-inch little circles that I turned into flares. So I did that with 3 of these little animal prints that are just on our pattern paper. Super easy peasy there. Now I have this. I like the tones. I think it's gorgeous. However, I think I will be adding in more things. These are just fussy cut from the same pattern paper from these sweet little animals. But I'd like to and start looking at some of our gorgeous little pieces and see what I can work in. I love the depth of these gorgeous florals. So let's see. And the cool thing is, it's not like I'm totally married to the placement of things. So that is good there. And that takes care of that whole cluster. Perfect. Do I have, so if I don't have another deep, deep brown floral, I think what I'll do is I'll come in over here and I'll really make sure these darker brown pieces, these little circles really show. But then I can also, guys, this is so cute, this little squirrel. I can also go ahead and I'm just trying to decide where that should go. I'll also go ahead and make sure to tuck in, you know, like these deep, deep brown acorns, things like that, so that the brown is distributed on both sides. Okay, so I think that's super cute. I do have to get everything tacked down. And oh, look at our cute little doe. And I'm gonna get everything tacked down because then we'll really see what we have. I love the design. I think the design is literally done. Now, I want to make sure to get some of these gorgeous adhesive brads in here because they're circular. I'm gonna do that after things are tacked down. And I also have to find a place, once all of these pieces are on, to put the ring of Kerry for Ireland on here because I definitely want to have that documented for you. So I have to get these things down. I'll get the ring of Kerry on, and then we'll figure out where to put some of these pretties and, of course, our Amazeball confetti mix. All right, so give me just a moment. I'll be right back. Let's see what we have. All of these pieces are tacked down. The things that needed scuff writing are scuffed. I have ring of Kerry up there like we talked about. Now, I know that this is already full. However, do you see how cute these adhesive brads are? So we have to get a few of them in. They don't all have to go in, but a few should go in. So let's see, I've got a few shiny bits, which makes me quite happy. Let me see. I don't really have anything this size though. Let's go ahead, we'll just get a little tucked in and that'll give us a tiny bit of metal as well, which I love. A little spot of a metallic here and there. So let's see. Okay, that one's all the way down. So I can put that one there. 1, 2. I'd like to get one more in. Ooh, how about this cute little mushroom? Maybe we can tuck that right here. Cute. So I have that. Had to get a few of the brads in. Now the last thing I want to do is come in with a few of our confetti mixed pieces. Now I like to come in and do them with a little liquid adhesive and be a bit random about it. Sometimes when I'm too controlled, it looks too controlled. So let's go ahead and just start finding some sweet little places to put them. And one of the things that's nice is like the little confetti mixes, they totally like will fill in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They can totally fill in little spots that need a little something, something. All right, so I have 5 little clusters. I'm gonna pop them all in. Now, guys, what should I tell you guys? Ooh, I love that green. Let's get that green in. I will have the links down below where you guys can get your hands on these gorgeous kits. Now, they've been selling out. So what I would suggest to you is subscribe. Oh, there's also, did I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? There are also, different things on the website. So you can grab yourself some adhesive, which I use all of the time. You can grab like little bits and pieces. So take a look at all of that as well as subscribing. Now, the other thing, I can't always, because I'm on the design team, I can't always get my hands on both sets of papers, but you guys can. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, over here. So you guys can get your hands on the extra set of the pattern papers, because I'm telling you, every time I love one of the sides of the papers, I mean, it just happens that I want to use both sides. So you guys grab those as well. And guys, I'm going to have a few still shots to follow. I know I have just a couple more sequins to put on, but I'm going to see you guys ever so soon with another video. Just trying to grab... I don't want to come in with the gold metallic because I have a little bit of the silver. Not that it even matters, but you know, I mean, it's just what's in my head today. Tomorrow, I will want multiple metallics. Today is a different day. Oh, I need one more and then I'll hold it up for you guys. So what else? It's super sunny outside, guys, so I have some halfway decent lighting today. But look at how fun that is to document this sweet little moment that I just had in the Ring of Kerry. So nice little shiny bits, all of that good stuff. Guys, I'm going to see you ever so soon with another video. And once again, I told you I'll have all the links down below, a few still shots, all that kind of stuff. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Bye for now, friends.